Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install this update, that is KB5078127. So you can open Windows settings and then go to Windows update, and then over here you can click on check for update. If you see this update KB5078127, you can click on download and install and let the installation complete. Now if you don't see this update over here, so under updates, if you don't see this update, in that case you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. So you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5078127. Click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And over here in my case it's version 25H2. And also check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, and over here check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now you can click on download, and then over here you can click on KB5078127, click on it, and then once the download is complete you can click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. And once the update is complete you can restart your computer and then you can check. So that should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.